Hi, welcome back everyone. Thank you for watching my videos. So if you own an espresso machine of any kind, one of the things you must regularly do is descale your machine. This will ensure that your machine will work for many years to come, and you must do this on a regular basis. Now, I've watched a lot of videos online, and one thing I can't find is a good video on how to descale your Breville Barista Express. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you a step-by-step instruction on how to descale your machine. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to want to remove the water tank from the machine. The reason we're doing this is that we're going to want to remove the filter from the water tank. Let's put that to the side. Next, let's take out one packet of the descaling solution and put it into the water tank and give it some time to dissolve. Now, you should have received one of these packets when you purchased the machine, but if you don't have it, they are readily available on Amazon and easy to purchase. So put it into the machine and then add water on top of it. Now, what I usually do is that once I've added the water, I also take a spoon and mix it a little bit in there. This is to ensure that it dissolves properly. Once you have the descaling solution mixed well in the water tank, go ahead and take the water tank and put it back in the machine. We're ready for the next step. Next thing to do is put the machine into descaling mode. To do this, you're going to hold the 2-cup button and the power button for a few seconds, and the machine will turn on into descaling mode. Now you're ready to go. So let's go ahead and descale the group head by touching the 1-cup button. This will start the descaling process and will take about 20 to 25 seconds. Notice the 1-cup button is blinking. This means that it is now descaling. So wait for it to be done, and then once it's done, it will turn solid. At that point, you're ready to go to the next step. Okay, so the light is now solid, so the group head is done. Now we're going to descale the steam wand, and we're going to do it by turning the steam dial to the steaming position. This process is only going to take about 8 seconds, so it's fairly quick. Once the steam wand is done, you're going to want to descale the hot water spout. To do that, just turn the dial to the hot water and let it run. This process should take about 13 seconds. And with that, once this is done, you have now completed a first cycle of descaling. Now that you've completed the first cycle of descaling, continue to descale the machine in the exact same manner as we did the first time around. So start with the group head, from there go to the steaming wand, and then lastly descale the hot water. This process is going to go for 2 to 3 cycles before you finish your water. Here you can see me go through the second cycle of descaling my machine. Again, started with the group head, from there go to the steaming wand, and then finish with the hot water spout. Now from here, we'll go to the next step once this cycle is complete. Now that the water with descaling solution is finished, take out the water tank and rinse it very well. Once you're done rinsing, fill the water tank with fresh water and then put the water tank back on the machine. With the fresh water, make sure to follow the same process now as we did with the descaling. So we're going to start with the group head, then from there we'll go to the steam wand, and then lastly we'll finish with the hot water spout. This process is meant to rinse out the internal components of the machine and ensure that no solution is left into the Breville Barista Express. I won't show you in the video, but make sure that you're going through several cycles of rinsing to ensure that you've removed all of the solution from the machine. Once you're done rinsing the machine, don't forget to put the water filter back on. So take out the water tank, put the water filter back on, and then fill the water tank with fresh water, and then put the water tank back on the machine. And with that, the last thing to do is hit the power button, and now you are done. Well guys, I hope this video has helped you descale your machine. If it has and you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button. See you on the next video. Thanks.